Welcome back to Macy's Toy Box. So today I have very exciting news. I just got a new puppy and she's so adorable, so we're gonna do something fun with her. We're gonna put her in the box and we're gonna put all the play balls in too. So first I need to lift up Molly. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna put play balls in there. She's gonna be swimming around. So we're gonna show you her close. Okay, can you stop me? Look how cute. She's like a little... Right? So cute. I hope you saw her because she's really cute. So, for this. Okay. And dump it. Yeah. All on Molly. Oh my gosh. I'll get this on camera. Okay, so... Okay. I don't know if that's... Oh my gosh, she's covered in those. She's covered in play balls and oh my gosh, it's swimming. So we're just putting them on her. Alright, she's lying down in the play ball. Wait, no, she's chewing on no, it's not even showing. So she's in the play balls right now. Step way up there, step way up there, okay? So, don't you think she was cute? So, Macy's gonna step up on the stairs so we can, see the actual picture of Molly. Yeah. Okay. So, there she is. Can you see her? Yeah, there she is. Sorry if I did. Sorry about that. What? I'm just telling you. Sorry about the little mistakes that we made. Because Zoe says she's just joking. Okay. So let's get that. So I guess it talks a lot. She's hey! You know what? Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do this. Winner. My rules. Okay, it's not all these his rules. It's both of us. Whatever. Let's just get on with the video. Okay. Don't look at the house to show, okay? Okay, now let's get back to Macy's Toy Box, okay? Let's do that. Well, sorry. This isn't really a toy-related video. It's just about my new puppy, that we got a new puppy, and she is so cute and adorable. Not just new, but like kind of new. So she's covered. We just need to get all she's a puppy, and if you want to know what breed she is Havanese. You probably don't know what Havanese are because they're like these really fluffy dolls from Cuba or something. We just got it from my grandma. So thank you. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. We'll do the other half of the video soon. Just give us a couple more minutes so we can do this, okay? No, you're not supposed to. Oh my gosh, can I think of a talk with that? Sorry about my new TV show editor, but she's really bad. Sorry, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, so sorry about the extra talks that we had. Sorry about this video. Macy, stop talking rude. You are being extremely rude. Okay, this is just a joke, so